Get Google reviews for your business fast and easy way. In today's video, I am going to show you how to get Google reviews for your business quickly and efficiently. And in last, I will also show you the automated system that I have designed for my clients so that you can also apply it to your business. I am Jignesh, founder of the Pixel Elevate, where we help local business owners to get more clients and help them to build an online reputation through our AI softwares. Before I reveal the method that I use with my clients, let me give the few reasons that why it's imperative you collect customer reviews for your business. Number 1. Customer reviews for your business. Number 1 is trust. It will help your potential clients who come across your business online at very first time to make an informed decision. Do they want to do business with you or not? Getting positive reviews is an opportunity to build a solid reputation for your business. Let's say if I search for dentist in New York, all businesses listed have collected some positive reviews. However, NYC Dental seems to be much better position and reputation. That it's based on 1600 reviews with an 4.8 stars. That's what I call an excellent reputation, which will encourage a lot of new clients. Number 3 is higher ranking in Google search results. Many studies have confirmed that Google uses an online reviews to decide which business get pushed higher in local search results. Number 4 is free feedback. Getting reviews is a great opportunity for you to improve upon your products and service. Whenever you get a negative feedback, you can use it as your advantage. There are many other benefits also, but based on those points, it's fair to say that you should focus more on getting quality reviews for your business. If a client asks me for an help for their business, and I was only allowed to do one thing, then I will exclusively focused on getting more reviews for their business. Step 1 is create a profile on Google My Business. The very first thing that you need to do is claim your business listing on the Google My Business. This will allow you to manage all the reviews and customers post about your business. Step 2 is ask for reviews. I know it sounds simple, right? But this is the easiest way of getting reviews for your business. Unlike other sites, Google doesn't see any objection if you ask for a review to your customers. It actually encourages it. It's cool. If you want to read a full guidelines, you can find a link in description below. But when asking for a review, you must consider a couple of scenarios. Number 1. If you are just starting to collect online reviews for your business, ask your loyal customer first because they are your best advocates. Number 2. Imagine you run a restaurant in your area and your client had made a booking through a specific website such as checkers.com or a booking.com. So this type of websites already have an inbuilt review system that they send email to your customers for a review. So you don't want to send any type of messages to this type of clients because it might annoy them. Number 3. Finally, once you have completed a business transition with your client, ask them if they would be willing to post a Google review for your business. Only ask the happy customers because you don't want to disgruntled to your customers. Step 3. Create a customer review email template. You can craft your own email template according to your business. But here is what you need to take in consideration. That bit the iron while it's still hot. So you need to send an email as soon as possible after the completion of transaction. Make an email as personal as possible. And the most important, you need to include a review link in your email which would directly pop up to your Google account. For that, you can use a tool named as whitespark.ca. I have also given a link in description. In last, let me show you the method that we use for our clients to get more Google reviews for their business. This is an automated system that we have designed for our clients to get more Google reviews. That after the completion of project, we send this email to their customers that how would you rate us. If they select any of the option, we send to them to Google reviews section. If you need any kind of help on getting more reviews for your business or how to optimize your Google business account, you can freely book a call in my calendar. I have given a link in description. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.